I wasn't gonna shoot a video. This is Garry Dean, Rapid Ride Rehab. I just got done polishing this 2019, I believe, Ford Raptor with my DeWalt 15mm throw DA. This is actually a Menzerna pad, and then I only use my products at rapidriderehab.com, and this is my Rapid one-step polish. It is absolutely amazing, and as you can see, it's beautifully sunny out here today. This side isn't in the sun, but the other side is definitely in the sun, and I just got done polishing this in direct sunlight, and it looks absolutely amazing. Had no issues wiping the product off. It stays very wet after you polish it, and literally I could have polished this door, left the polish residue on there, and then done the rest of the truck and come back to this, and it would wipe right off with no issues at all. So Rapid one-step polish. Don't be sticker shocked when you see how much it costs. I charge 85 bucks for my 16 ounce, which is a epic poop load of product, literally. You'll find that you're going to use about a quarter of the amount you do of everybody else's product. So you can look at that 16 ounce bottle as being the same as most other companies' gallon size, and in concentration and how much work you can do with a 16 ounce bottle. It's about the comparison. So I used about a half of an ounce of product to do this whole truck. Roof, hood, everywhere else, tailgate, all of it. Half of an ounce of product. Looks pretty dang amazing if you ask me. I got the lovely Tony working on this work F150. This thing is getting polished as well. I got to fix these headlights. Wasn't going to do any videos today, but we're going to do it anyway. Tony's in here scrubbing this nasty interior. It's pretty gross. The outside's pretty nasty as well. Got to pull this thing up a little bit so I can get to the back, but you can see all the scratches and stuff. We're just doing a gloss enhancing polish. I love this truck. I actually had two of these. I had a 2013 and a 2014. This body style in this same color, blue flame metallic. I love it. This looks like crap right now, but whenever I polish it, it is going to look absolutely fantastic. We are here today at Dyne Engineering. It's a massive building right here, and we do all of their fleet vehicles as well as employee cars. But you can see that Raptor looks amazing with that one-step polish, and literally I was able to do that whole truck all the way around it. Well, I washed it last week, so a week ago I washed it. I was here last Wednesday and washed it. We talked about polish. I came back to do the polish, so I didn't have to clay bar it, but I did have to do a couple of isopropyl alcohol wipe downs to strip off what I put on here before. So then I didn't have to re-clay bar it because I just clayed it a week ago and it felt good. So anyway, really all I did was get it washed and one-step polish, and it looks amazing. So that's where we're at, and this is where we're at on this one. She's probably 3/4 of the way done with the interior, and then we're going to shut her down and get the outside done. But you can see how nasty this thing is. All this dirt everywhere. All this dirt everywhere. Look at this caked on nasty. Yeah, that's caked on pretty good. Couldn't even wipe it off with a finger swipe. So all right, well, I'm gonna get prepped. I got all my crap over there. I'm gonna get prepped up to get this one started. So I'll see you when I've got more of this one done. All right, I had the lovely Tony. Say hi, Tony.
Yeah, hi.
She hates to be on camera. Got the lovely Tony over here just wiping everything down. This work beast is done. It's amazing what a one-step polish will do. It's also amazing what you can't see in a two-step polish that you can see in a one-step polish. So two-step correction is going to remove more of your heavier scratches, and heavier oxidation, like this kind of stuff. One-step polish is going to cut off the top layer, enhance the clarity and the gloss, and make it look so much better. There's incredible value in a one-step. There's a little bit of value in a two-step, in my opinion. Like these work trucks, they come back to life with a one-step polish, as you can see. Clean the wheels with a brand new Rapid Beast acid wheel cleaner. Those were caked on and nasty, as you probably saw from the first clip. They're clean now. That is the Rapid dressing diluted like 1 to 3. It's got very little product in it. I just wanted to blacken the tires because they looked all nasty and used. He didn't want them super glossy, he said. We did the complete interior on this work beast, like I mentioned. Looks good. They've already seen the interior. They have not seen the exterior, which you are seeing now. I also polished out, or I sanded down and polished out the headlights. I didn't go super crazy, I just got them all cleared up. So basically I sanded them with a machine with 1500 grit, and then I sanded them by hand with 2500 grit. Then I used the Rapid one-step just to clear them up. And again, no yellowing, they look much clearer, and the light projection will be fantastic at night. I did put the Rapid dressing on all of the trim, the grille and everything, the mirrors, and the top of that rear bumper. So she looks good. And I got the 2019 Raptor tires all dressed. That is the Rapid dressing diluted 50/50 with water, so it's a heavier dilution. The truck looks absolutely stunning, as you can see. And I mentioned earlier, that was just a one-step polish that I did with the Rapid one-step and the DeWalt cordless 15mm throw DA with a Menzerna red cutting pad. That tire shine looks freaking awesome. Super happy with it. So that's the two trucks we did today. Over here at Dyne Engineering. As you can see on the truck, this is our third week in a row here, getting these three fleet trucks straightened out. All right, guys, if you've got any questions for me, my cell phone number is 813-846-4406. And check out rapidriderehab.com. It's brand new, formerly detailjuice.com. That site is live now. If you type in detailjuice.com, it's going to take you to rapidriderehab.com. I still own all the rights and the name and everything to detailjuice.com, and I will continue to own it so that all of my previous people can still find me. So when you go to, like I said, if you go to detailjuice.com, it's going to take you to the new rapidriderehab.com site. If you go to Rapid Ride Rehab, it's going to take you right where you need to be. So Dyne Engineering, got some trucks done for them, third week in a row. Now we're good to go, and I'm going to go pack up all my gear, get paid, and get out of here. If you need me, give me a shout, send me a text message, or give me a call, 813-846-4406. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a wonderful day.